What are you doing?
Funny, I need to cook. Daddy, you will see.
Okay. What do you want? You want to see in the oven?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go look in the oven. Wow.
Yeah, go with tomatoes.
Mmm.
They're cooking.
Can we eat them now, or are they too hot?
I think they're too hot.
I see.
I think they're too hot. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. You can really finger paint that, Daisy? Wow.
Wow.
You will finger paint that, Daisy?
Can you show me where you
I
put?
think they're too hot.
Where do you put the tomatoes when you cook them?
I'm gonna put some tomatoes. Daddy?
Yeah.
You can, Daddy?
Yes.
You can see.
Can I see in the oven what you're cooking?
I'm cooking tomatoes.
I know. Again and again.
Maybe they are too hot.
Yeah, I think so. Well, let's wait a little bit longer.